Not a thing is on the phone. But look at that. Just to show you how much these people in these days love phone. They fall asleep with the phone. Hand, same position. She touching this phone, you know. Hold up the phone. I don't know how she do that. If I made the phone and I drop down already. Hear them snoring. Rakisha falls asleep. She never walk on this one. Poor thing. I mean, I'll take it from her. So, I'll take a picture. Pose up. Hehe.
Somebody broke car mount and like baguette. I'm gonna leave my car mount because my hand tired now. I'm gonna put my phone on my car mount and I don't know.
Yo, you got the camera ready there, so I make you stand for it. What I managed to video, the direction.
My money, my body, my
Abigail, where we are going?
Continue straight there, you pick the left turn off.
Come on, tap in us, so silence. Focus.
So hold on. If we say continue straight.
I want to see that, I think. I want to see me know you're nice. I want to listen. When you turn on my music, I want to listen to my music start to make nice.
My God, every take bad things back to.
Hi guys, so Montego Bay, we are at Montego Bay.
Say something about it?
Jesus.
Alright, some of the atmosphere, bro.
Atmosphere.
I smell something on her.
I smell it. Here, me in peace, kind of a trash when you're gonna why? The driver showed me up. Yeah, no. Guys, so we stopped on the road because we had to check the radiator business. And my scarf got drop off. So then shit, they want left me. So then wicked.
I will if I drive by then do out here. You don't realize that so every other car on the bike drive right here, so.
Well, they're lucky. They don't know we are with
That make it perfect, we'll be Monday.
Jesus. So guys, we stopped, we took a few photos. If you want to see these cute ass photos, go and follow us on Instagram. It will be on the screen. We'll make sure that it is on the screen this time. All the time I say I'm putting Instagram on the screen, it never happened. So I'm gonna try. remember to put it on the soup. And all these things. Alright, so, yeah, we're not going to be on.
I'm going to tell you to stop abruptly, so continue.
So we just go about this. We need to put on my scarf. My scarf drop off when I take picture. So I have to wrap it back. Because my ear not too bad, but whatever. Alright, so we are somewhere in Montego Bay. We have no idea. I have to ask Kimona that the question because she can't come up here to look for her friend. But we're going to have a great time in Montego Bay, in the town today. Yeah. It's so nice to be out and about. Yeah. Came out pour water in the radiator area.
Where do you go?
Let me put it on the seat. Hold on. Ask Lisa. You want to go ask her? I'm going to fill up here? But we have enough, not sure. We're good. We're good. Y'all, look at this baby. Oh my gosh. Tell me say this no nice. The Civic are nice. Oh, Jesus. I can't even do it right now. Tree muffler, beatings, Civic. It's so nice. My gosh. What? Because we are rolling out in one of them and cave. Jesus. Wow. But I touch it too hard, they do. So nice. Not true? Honda. It's nice, man. I tell you God truth. I love it. And the color just pop. The sun's so hot. Wow. Wow. Wait, hold on. I black car you look fine?
And the white one.
Oh shit. One white one. White one in there, so and the black one here, so.
So I want to go. Nice one.
Wow.
Nice, me I go buy one of them there. One for me and one for Rock.
I want the red one.
One for me and one for Rock. I want the white one.
Want the red one.
But me want the red one too.
It's so nice. Oh guys. Somebody sponsor we. Sponsor we. Alright guys. So we go. See if we get some food to eat. Auntie. Yes, I drive too. We drive to KFC. Long as that. Alright guys, so we decided that we're going to go over to Margaritaville and have a good old time. It might take so long. There's another car over on that side. Almost look like Fury, but no, in a reach yet. I don't know if it is us or anything, but since we colored cars, like we have some more orange color cars. I don't know if I just I don't know. I don't know what to say about it, but since we colored cars, like we have some more colored cars, like people just into colored cars these days. Yeah, probably has a trend or something. I don't know. Could be. Yeah. Come. I say Abigail always a delay. Alright, so let's see what we are going to be doing today over by Margaritaville. Go and just enjoy yourself and have a jolly old good time, and you guys will get to see all of it. Stay tuned. Oh my god, over here is Alright, so once more the scarf is gone. So we're there. We just have a little food where we order. Wings and drinks. Over here has a very nice life, so we're just enjoying and chilling. Hope you guys really and truly like these vlogs because we're trying as hard as we can to put more content out. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying these vlogs and so forth. Yeah, so hope that you guys like, leave a comment down below as always. Subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. We are looking out for you when you subscribe, alright? So, alright.
Coffee film.
So,
What's the one with fancy? Nobody not this. They just is somebody Alright guys, so we just completed our little snacking over by Margaritaville. So we're about to leave. Yeah, so we'll see you in the next clip, but wherever we are, wherever we'll be, we'll take you guys with us.